You're over 40 and you feel like you should be farther along than you are. And no matter what you try, nothing seems to stick. It's frustrating, but it's not your problem. Now you want to get into online business is where it's at, and where it's going. 2030 will be $1 trillion business. That's where you want to be. Don't worry. We got your back. No tech, no overwhelming technical issues, no experience needed. We handle everything. It's all there for you. There's no need to worry about it. But I understand it can be a little confusing because there's a lot to it. When I found this, I knew it was going to make sense. Everything about it was exactly what I wanted. 100% profit, no sharing of your sales. It's not a MLM. It is not an affiliate program. You keep 100% of the profit. I was afraid that it was another just get rich quick scheme, and I've fallen for those before. This is not what that is. It's not. It is a full-blown business. You do have to put your time in. You can't just ignore everything and you're going to make $100,000 a month. Nope. No, you got to put your time in. You got to study. You got to work the program, but it takes work. It's a business. So, look, I wish I had time to explain it all here, but I do want you to know that all of those things that you're worried about are all answered right down here in my bio. Just click on my website. Go check it out. It's a free blueprint of how this whole business works. That's all I'm asking you to do. It's free. It's for you. Don't do it for me. Do it for you. Do it for your family. Do it for your kids that you want to take on vacation. Do it for your retirement plan. Do it for the fact that this industry is going to be worth $1 trillion by 2030. According to Forbes, you can Google it, look it up, so you know I'm not lying. It's all there. So do it. Just click my website. Go check out the blueprint. It's a business in a box. And all the information is right there for you. Just check it out. Do yourself the favor. And I will see you in the next one.